We're going to be doing part B of the sample problem that was posted to Blackboard for exercise 1-8. Again, this is an algorithmic version, so it's just to serve as a sample, meaning the numbers are different from those listed in your textbook, but the process is identical. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and try part B of the sample problem posted on Blackboard, and we'll work through the solution here in a minute. Now that you've attempted part B of the sample problem, we'll go ahead and work through the solution. Again, I recommend setting up the problem by starting with your accounting equation, or ALO, assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. Now they give you a lot of information in this problem at different points in the year. So my recommendation to help you organize this information is to go ahead and set up 3 rows of information. One for the beginning of the year when they give you those beginning figures, the second for during the year, any changes that happen throughout the year, and then the third row will be for your ending balance of the year. And basically you're going to start by just reading the problem and filling in all the information and putting it in the appropriate space, either an asset, liability, or owner's equity, and when that change happened during the year. So if we fill in the information that's given, that's what our problem now looks like. We were given the $271 for beginning balance of assets. We're given an increase of $80,000 for assets during the year, an increase of $45,000 for liabilities during the year, and a beginning balance of owner's equity of $203,250. And in this problem you are asked to find the ending equity balance. So just fill in what you have so that you know exactly what you're looking for. And it might seem like you have a lot of holes at first, but you know if you only have one missing item, you have 2 or more, and you know the equation, you can solve for that unknown. So then go ahead and work through the math. To find the missing beginning liability amount, you'll take 271 and subtract it from your 203. And you will get $67,750. So continue on, subtract the $45,000 from the 80 to get the 35. Once you have those numbers, you'll be able to compute your ending balances for the year. So just go ahead and add down. 271 plus 80 gives you 351 ending asset balance. 67,750 plus 45 gives you an ending balance for liabilities of 112,750, and owner's equity beginning balance of 203,250 plus the 35,000 gives you an ending balance of 238,250, which is the answer that they are looking for. But remember, don't stop there. Do your check. That's the beauty of the accounting equation. You know both sides, the left side and the right side, must be equal. You have that built-in check, so why not use it? So our last step will be to do our check down here. The left side is obviously equal to the 351. That's our only product over there. And then the right side, just take your liabilities plus your owner's equity. Make sure that it equals the asset amount on the left-hand side. It does. So your problem is now complete.